Hey, so we're going to get right into this video. This video, I'm going to be going over how you can schedule your social media posts right from Canva so that you can save time and create your designs and schedule them out all in the same place. So once you go into Canva right here, as you can see, if you click on templates, if you don't already have your social media posts created, you're going to go ahead and select those posts. So for example, if you're doing an Instagram post, you can have it's right here, or you can search whatever type of post that you're creating, whether it's Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, so forth. So we're gonna go here, go ahead and select your post. You can search a specific type of post that you're looking for, whether you whatever niche that you're in, whether you are in beauty, um, skincare, education, so forth. You go ahead and select the particular one that you want. For example, if your business is you have a cake business, as you can see, there's a ton of templates that you can use for your social media. You're gonna go ahead and select one, customize this design, and again, this is for Instagram. So you're gonna go ahead and, of course, edit your text, color, add in your pictures. You can go ahead and upload that. Add your website here. You could change the background color by selecting up here. And then you can also create multiple um, social media posts right within the same thing. For example, just click through and you'll have even more, add a new page and select. And that way you can create all of the posts that you need for that week or that month, depending on how much time or content that you are creating. Once you have edited all of your content, you're going to go over here to where it says share. You go ahead and hit share. Then you're going to go ahead and hit schedule. Now you must have a Canva Pro account for this, but it's definitely worth it to be able to schedule everything. So you're going to hit schedule. They're going to select the date, the time, and then you're going to hit next. And you're going to select the channel. So you must sign into either your Instagram business, Facebook page, as you can see, your Pinterest, LinkedIn, and so forth. You go ahead and select that particular page. You must convert your Instagram account to a business account. If you don't know how to do that, I could create another video on that. Then it must be linked to an also Facebook page as well, and then you're going to go ahead and hit connect. Once you hit connect, it's going to ask you to go ahead and sign in. So you're going to make sure that you go ahead and sign into your Facebook account, and then once it's connected, you'll be able to schedule out your posts. So for example, for me, I only have my Pinterest connected. Let's go back here. Select the channel. I have that already connected, my Pinterest. You go ahead and type your title here, which page that you are scheduling out. Like I said, because you can do multiple pages. You're going to go ahead and write your description here. So this is for Pinterest, of course, so it will be different for each platform. I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste my description. You can get your description created in ChatGPT. If you're not good with writing descriptions, all you have to do is go ahead to chat. Go ahead and tell them, depending on what social media platform it is and how long you've been using it, they should know more about your business. But you're going to go ahead and tell them to write a short description for my Pinterest pin or your Instagram post about my new mini cakes available in 3 flavors, and you can list a flavor or whatever it is about. You want to give them the details, and you can say make it exciting and add my website, and then you provide them with your website in there. Then you're going to go ahead and hit create, and it's going to go ahead and give you some Pinterest friendly. You can tell them if you wanted to create 5 different descriptions, you can tell them that. So there you go. You have your description, then you just go ahead and highlight it, hit copy. Then you're gonna go back over here and paste it. Again, you're gonna do this for any social media platform. As much more details that you give it, the better. And of course, if you've been using chat, they should know your business a lot better and they can know the tone and the different things that you offer. So then you're gonna go ahead and put your website here. And then you're going to go ahead and hit schedule, or you can hit save as a draft. So, and that is how you're going to go ahead and do it. Again, you go back over here, you select share, schedule. You must have a Canva Pro account. You're going to select the date, the time, next. Once you have all of your social medias added, you'll have that there. You'll select the page that you want to schedule. You'll write your caption and your schedule, and that is it. So this is how that you can be able to schedule your post using Canva. And again, if we go back over here to the home screen, whatever you are, I did not see TikTok though. Let's see. So you cannot do TikTok, but you can do Instagram and Facebook and Twitter and Pinterest. So if you have a business where you're selling digital or physical products, Pinterest is a great platform to use to be able to get free and organic traffic to your website or your Etsy account. So I definitely recommend doing a Pinterest. So you can go ahead and just do the same thing. You'll go over here to where it says templates, type in Pinterest pin, so that you can have the correct sizing. Once again, depending on your niche, you can go ahead and search that. If you make content for moms, there you go. If you make content for teachers, if you make content as far as recipes, anything that you need, you're just going to go ahead and select Pinterest pins and the whatever you're creating for. And then as you can see, there's a ton of different templates so that you don't have to create this from scratch. And then you can make these all under the same design, schedule them out. Here you go. Just go ahead and put your details there, add in your images. As you can see here, it says detach image. So these are just frames. And then you'll just hit upload right here, upload your images that you want to add, and you'll just go ahead and paste them here. You can also, of course, search images here, photos, and as you can see, this is where this was found. So if you need to, depending on what your niche is, you need to search photos, you can. And then of course, if you are making these recipes and you have your own pictures, you can do that as well. Add a new page, go over to template. As you can see here, just go ahead and type in recipes or whatever you're doing, and you have a ton of different templates that you can just go ahead and hit a new page, just add in your pictures, change your title. You can make it bigger. You can change the colors, of course, over here. Change the type of font over here. Then you have to, of course, edit based off the sizing. And that is that. So hopefully this video has been helpful. I definitely recommend. It's very easy to go ahead and schedule them out directly right here while you're making them. And as you can see, we have Instagram right here. Go ahead and hit schedule and go ahead and do that to be able to make sure that you're having content posted regularly as you're designing. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe so that you don't miss a video. And if you are interested in getting Canva templates every single month, you can go over to my YouTube channel and click on where I have the membership at. So we're going to go over to my channel. It's going to look different for you, but it should be somewhere over here under membership, and you can be able to pick between the tiers. If you would like to receive the exclusive members only videos, as well as Canva template designs every single month that you can resell. You can join my highest tier, which is $9.99 a month, and you will get sent to your email Canva templates that you can go ahead and edit. You can sell it on Etsy, you can sell it on your website, wherever you would like. And so if you're interested in making money with Canva templates, you can go ahead and join that membership again for $9.90 a month, and you'll get new templates sent every single month. Okay, have a great day. Bye bye.